Introducing the Alcuras Moringa Berberine AMPK patch, and this innovative braking pad for the Western Yets supports slim improves metabolic highs for a convenient, effective solution.
If you've been seeing ads for the Alcuras Moringa Berberine AMPK, you've been seeing ads for the Alcuras Moringa Berberine AMPK patch promising effortless fat burning and metabolic support without pills or injections. You're probably wondering whether it's a smart shortcut or just another trendy product riding the weight loss hype wave. This patch is marketed as a simple stick-on solution designed to support slimming, boost metabolism, and activate fat-burning processes through ingredients like moringa and berberine, which are often associated with metabolic health when consumed orally. The idea of delivering these benefits through a skin patch sounds convenient and appealing, especially for people who struggle with supplements or strict diet routines. However, there are some important points buyers should consider before forming expectations. Product listings provide limited verifiable information about clinical validation, and bold claims such as rapid fat burning or metabolic activation are not supported by transparent medical evidence. Some promotions also use phrases like "doctor recommended," but without clear attribution, credentials, or published studies, such statements should be approached cautiously. Additionally, while transdermal patches can deliver certain medications effectively, not all herbal compounds are proven to absorb through the skin in meaningful amounts. This does not necessarily mean the patch is ineffective, but it does suggest that results may vary and should not be assumed to match marketing promises. For anyone considering this product, it's wise to view it as a supplementary wellness aid rather than a guaranteed fat loss solution, and to pair expectations with realistic lifestyle habits such as balanced nutrition and physical activity. If you're researching before buying, taking time to evaluate claims, ingredient transparency, and independent feedback can help you make a more informed decision.